Today, we're going to teach you how to get the Doge coin, the XenDoge coin. Let's get it. What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘯𝘵𝘮𝘺𝘰. I truly appreciate you for being here with me. So today, we're actually going to talk about the XenDoge coin. XenDoge coin is a cryptocurrency that you get from burning Xen tokens. I talked about it in my previous video. Go up here to look at it. You get it by burning some Xen tokens, and then you get Dogecoin, the XenDoge coin, I mean. And with the XenDoge coin, you allow the creators of this coin to give charitable finances to dog shelters, to different things, rescue dogs, different animal shelters, different things like that that have to do with the dog pet community, I guess. So it's really for a good cause, really for a charitable event, pretty much. So that's a good thing about that. So now I'm going to give you a step-by-step process of how to do it. But before I do that, let me read some of the comments from my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. The comments are coming in nonstop. So that's why every video I have to show some comments from my subscribers. Okay, the first comment that I have is from RacerX Forever that says, okay, so my previous comment just got promptly deleted. My question once again, who has access to the multiple addresses you just had minted? Can you claim the Xen, or do the addresses belong to someone else? Okay, and then I responded, website has access. So really, it's better to just make the NFTs on the main website. Yes, this is with batch minting. And this is batch minting on, I believe it's Xen Turbo or Xen Trader. Either way, the best way to do batch minting is just to create a ZNFT on the actual Xen.network website, and you can control all the different factors. And even with the ZNFT, not only do you get the benefits of batch minting, you also get the ability to sell that NFT on places like OpenSea for money. So you can sell the NFT or the ZenFT before it's even available for you to pull out the Xen value from it. Okay, so let's say that you mint a ZenFT now, and it's going to be claimable a year from now, April of 2024. If you're tight with money, you can sell that in like December of 2023, like around Christmas time if you want to buy gifts. And by Christmas time, even though the monetary value of it will be something ridiculous, like probably around $50,000, $70,000, you could sell it for $40,000 instead of receiving the $70,000 to $80,000 that you'll get in April. If you're really tight for cash, you can sell it for $40,000 in like December. And mind you, it's going to cost you about maybe $1,000 to $1,500 to mint it right now, but you're going to be able to make $40,000 in December, okay? Instead of the $80,000 in April, but it's okay. Okay, next comment. Comment from DB is that Pulsechain, I believe, will pump way harder at first and will probably be listed on other exchanges before PulseX. I do think PulseX will catch up later. Where did my face go? I do believe PulseX will catch up later, but that relies on how popular the decentralized exchange becomes. Richard Hart has been preaching for years not to trade, so his biggest fans are not traders. PulseX needs new people. I also have the same mentality. Pulsechain will shoot up first, and it will shoot up higher than PulseX, but PulseX will still continue to grow. Day one, Pulsechain comes out. I think that the Pulsechain token will 10x the sacrifice value, and the PulseX token will only 5x the sacrifice value. So a lot of people are going to bum rush into PulseX, and they're going to sell their PulseX to get Pulsechain, okay? So me personally, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. In fact, I am sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to probably wait a little bit, wait for PulseX to drop in value, and then buy some more PulseX, okay? Next, we have a comment from Neon J that says, Xen is free. It will be the biggest crypto in the world. And then Joe Gut also says, we only care about Xen. Yes, a lot more people are getting into Xen. A lot of hexagons are getting into Xen. Nobody is talking shit about Xen anymore. I know there were jokes about the Forever Down coin and the Jack Levin's name with the L sign and everything. They were spelling his name with the L letters because that's what the graph looked like. No one's doing that anymore. A few days ago or a few weeks ago, Xen just did a 1,000% shoot up in a month. And that's why these pictures are right here for the 1,000% growth in 1 month. So it's ridiculous, and it's going to continue to grow forever. Like I say many, many times, Xen is going to do a 100x from its all-time price in by February of next year or something like that. Next, we have a comment from Jimmy that says, what does Xen do in simple terms? And then Christian Norega said, new Bitcoin opportunity, basically mass adoption and utility, deflationary, long-term, and free to mint to get. All right, same starting point for everyone. And I have many, many videos. In fact, I have a playlist about all the Xen ecosystems, all the Xen tutorials, all the Xen knowledge on my channel. So go to my channel. I have many, many videos about Xen. This is a video about Xen too, by the way, XenDoge, but it's related to Xen. And finally, the last comment is from Carrie Stessel that says, just don't start showing us your Rolex watch collection. Yes, I mean, Xen has exploded dramatically. Man, if things keep going on the way that I'm pretty sure that they will, I'm probably going to buy a Rolex in like this time next year. I mean, and a Rolex will be cost as much as a Timex. We gonna be balling. Cannot wait. All right. So what are we going to be talking about? We are going to be talking about XenDoge. In my previous video, XenDoge, like I said, is born from magical ashes of burned Xen, brings together kind-hearted Xenians from around the world in its heartfelt pursuit of providing much-needed support to animals in need. Okay, so in order to get XenDoge, by the way, you're not able to get it right now, unfortunately. It's not out, so all you can do is get it on the X1 DevNet. The DevNet is a testnet. You see right here, X1 DevNet. It's a testnet. So all you can do is, test it out, play with it, around with it, see how it works, different things like that. But you cannot get the actual valued tokens, okay? You'll just get test tokens and you can sell them. I mean, technically you can sell them, but there's no real market to sell them, okay? All you can do is just play around with it. So now I'm going to show you how to play around with it. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the Xen website, the main website, xen.network. Then you click right here at this drop-down menu, click here, and then move my pretty face out the way. Then you click X1 DevNet, okay? When you click X1 DevNet, it's going to ask you to switch your network. It might ask you some more stuff because I already have the DevNet on my MetaMask, but it's going to ask you to switch the network on your MetaMask. And now I'm on the X1 DevNet, okay? In order to receive some fake DevNet tokens, you need to do something that burns Xen, okay? You need to do something that burns Xen on the Ethereum network or other networks, I'm pretty sure too, but I just do it on the Ethereum network. So you're gonna have to do, buy a XenFT that burns, or you could have done the Xen Knights, or you could do something like DBZen, buy some DBZen, like create some DBZen tokens, okay? Go on my page. I have many, many tutorials about how to do things that burn Xen. And when you burn Xen, you will be able to receive some X1 tokens or XN tokens. Yes. Oh, so you can see I did a mint yesterday, and now I'm going to get about 58,000 Xen tokens. In fact, let me just do my claim right now. As you can see, I only have about 736 Xen. But what I'm going to do right now is claim this, and I'm going to receive 58,000 XN tokens into. I'm going to receive about 58,000 Xen tokens into my MetaMask, and I'm going to pay a very, very small fee of 0.0091 XN tokens, okay, in order to claim the Xen. We're not really sure what the value of XN tokens are because the XN network, the X1 network is not out. So this is going to take a little bit of time. It's pretty fast. Normally it's faster than this. Okay, there you go. It's pretty fast. So as you can see, it's faster than Ethereum. Normally the block times are about 2 seconds, but doing stuff like claiming takes about 5 to 10 seconds. But 5 to 10 seconds is very fast compared to Ethereum that takes about 30 to 45 seconds. Okay. So anyways, now we see that we have some, look at that, 59,000 Xen tokens. Okay. So what we do is that we go to XenDoge, then we go here. So for each 1,000 Xen burned, you receive 1 XenDoge token plus the bonus. So I'm going to burn 1,000 Xen tokens, and I'm going to receive 1 XenDoge. However, I'm probably going to receive about 15 XenDoge tokens because currently we are in the bonus stage, and the current bonus is 15%. If you want to know why the bonus is 15%, go look at my video, go look at my previous videos, okay? I explain why, okay? So you can also do an optional donation. So I can donate an optional amount. How much XN tokens do I have? Okay, let me try to do donate 1 XN because XN is worth a lot more than Xen. So I don't want to, throw all my XN away. But, I want to help out the dogs out here. So let me just try to mint the XenDoge and let's see what happens. I click mint XenDoge. It's going through the approval process. My MetaMask pops up, and then this is the spending cap. What I normally do, I just do a cap or whatever. I just do maximum. But you could do a smaller amount just to be safe, just so you don't accidentally spend all your Xen tokens. And in fact, since I'm burning 1 Xen token, 1,000 Xen tokens, what I can do for a spending limit, just to be safe, I can do 1,001. So I'm going to do 1,001 tokens as a maximum spending cap, right? It's never going to burn more than 1,001 Xen tokens in this transaction. It might do it in later transactions. Then I click next. Now the amount of XN that I burn. Oh, actually, I'm just going through the approval process right now. Go through the approval process, and then we wait for it. And there you go. It was approved. Okay. So now it says that it's minting the XenDoge. I already have the XenDoge right here in my MetaMask. But if you want to get the XenDoge added to your MetaMask, you click on here where it says XenDoge contract. Click on there. It opens up a new tab. And then you copy and paste this address into your MetaMask. Okay. So now it's asking me, by the way, okay. So before I show you how to copy and paste it, the XenDoge wants to pretty much put the XenDoge into my account. So in order to get the XenDoge into my account, I need to pay a fee of 0.012 XN tokens. Okay. So and I'm doing this because I am also donating 1 XenDoge to the charity. Okay. So I click confirm. I pay 0.01 in gas fees and I donate 1 XenDoge. So I click confirm. Okay. So now it's trying to do a contract interaction. Now, if I want to add it to my account, you saw what I copy and pasted before? Oh, there it goes. It was approved. So I click import, I click paste, and then it's going to, XDOGE pops up. Okay. It says that it's successful. Okay. So what I'm going to do is refresh the page. And there you see, I have 16 XDOGE tokens. Okay. So because I have 16 XDOGE tokens, even though I only donated 1,000 Xen tokens, okay, because of the bonus, I get 16 XDOGE tokens. And that's why you need to get into the XDOGE system as soon as possible, okay? And I'll let you guys know when XDOGE is actually available. They said that they're going to come out with it on the Ethereum system soon. They're going to announce it soon. And then they're going to come out with it on the X1 layer, which is what I just showed you right now. That's going to come out when X1, the layer 1 comes out, which is going to happen Q1 of 2024. Okay, so this is a really good process. Everything is moving smoothly. Be careful, by the way. This is the wrong XDOGE contract address. There's a lot of scammers out there. This is the correct one. So this is why you must go here. This contract address, and then it will send you, and then you can copy and paste it into your MetaMask. Make sure that is the right one. Okay. So when you have nefarious, dangerous tokens like this, what you can do is, and you want to remove them, you click that right arrow, you click hide XDOGE, because this is the fake XDOGE. Click hide, and then it's gone, and it's not going to bother you anymore. Okay. So I'm telling you this because I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get this money.